Congratulations! You understand why I'm saying congratulations to you when you watch this video to the end. So to celebrate my birthday, I did something extremely special and I'm extending it to you right now. I'm allowing you to pay half the price for 2 of my best-selling marketing courses. You're welcome. So let me explain those 2 courses because people have been asking me what's the difference, what's this one, what's that one, and that's why I'm doing this video. So the 2 courses are the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program and the Sell Out with Content Bundle. So the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program has been sold to over 2,000 people, gotten access to this course, and it's hot and best-selling, and the course is currently sold at 10,000 naira. But because of my birthday, this is my birthday week, or my birth week, I will allow you get it for just 5,000 naira. So the course is actually a course that teaches you how to sell on WhatsApp, how to get more contacts, how to optimize your WhatsApp profile, how to use the different settings on WhatsApp, on the different WhatsApp, whether normal WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, to get more customers, how to close sales, how to follow up, and a lot of other things, how to run adverts from Facebook to WhatsApp, and different kinds of other adverts that you don't even know about that you can use to sell on WhatsApp. So that's what you're going to learn in the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program. It comes with support where I answer your questions, I handle your challenges, I share even updates. For example, just last week there was a recent update with WhatsApp where they made some adjustments to their terms of service, and I made it very clear to the people in my community. We call them the WhatsApp Millionaires Community. In fact, I'm going to change the name very soon to WhatsApp Billionaires Community because we're making the money. So if you want to join our community, all you have to do is to click on the link that you're going to see anywhere around or below this video to get access to the 50% discount, because it's just for this week only. So the next product is the Sell Out with Content Bundle, right? This one shows you exactly how you can sell out with your content. This bundle is divided into 2. So it has one, a training, a short content marketing training where I show you how to create content, why your content doesn't sell, and how you can make your content to be irresistible, get people to know, like, and trust you, the different kinds of content that you can create, how you can never run out of content ideas, how you can make your content attractive and make people to like it and engage with your content. And then the second part is a 90-day content calendar. That's, I tell you what to post every single day for 90 whole days. That's done the work for you for like 3 whole months. I'm so nice, right? So the content calendar and the content training put together makes the content bundle, the Sell Out with Content Bundle, and you're getting it today for just 1,500 naira. Chewing gum and biscuit money, very, very affordable, just because it's my birthday and I'm using it to give back to you guys for celebrating me on my birthday. So you don't want to miss all of this. All you have to do right now is click on the link in the description to grab this birthday offer right now. But before you do that, let me show you in more details. I'll be opening up my screen right now, my laptop, and showing you in details the content of each of these bundles and 1 or 2 feedback from people who have taken these bundles. So here's my screen, and this is the birthday offer. I'm letting you have 2 of my best-selling courses at 50% off. And you can see the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program, that's 10,000 naira, and you're getting it for 5,000 naira. Let's open this and let's look at the full content of this WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program. So here's what you get for the program. It's divided into 2. First, you get the course, the self-paced video-based training that has 6 different modules, detailed, myself recording this thing that I've taught to people, several people, showing you exactly how I do it. I show you my screen, I show you my phone screen, I show you my laptop screen, exactly how I do it, so you can do it exactly the same way as yourself. So this is the course content. I'm going to show you the course content, but then we have bonuses and then we have support. So I'm not leaving you on your own. I'm working with you. I'm answering your questions to show you exactly how to get started with this. So let me show you what you get. So here are all the details about the course. In module 1, we need to do introduction to WhatsApp marketing, how to identify the products and services. People don't know what to sell and what to sell on WhatsApp, how to make money on WhatsApp, even if you don't have the product to sell. I show you 3 different alternatives you can use to make money on WhatsApp. Then number 2, I show you how to set up your Facebook. You're wondering, what was I Facebook with WhatsApp? Exactly. Because the human beings we're going to be getting into our WhatsApp, we're not going to create them with sand and stone. We're going to get them, we're going to attract them from platforms. And what's better platform than the platform that has given me over 100,000 leads easily? And they are so cheap, they're so quality, they can buy from you over and over again. So I show you how to set up your Facebook profile. I show you how to get people from Facebook to your WhatsApp every single day. And then module 3 is to cover your WhatsApp
profile, how to set up your WhatsApp to look like an online store, attract people when they come, they want to stay. So that's how to do all of that. And but for the one that everybody's craving for, how to get more contacts. Because I always say this, more people is equal to more sales. You can't be selling to your family and friends every day, morning, afternoon, night, and you want to make more sales. How is that even possible? Family and friends don't buy. They hardly ever buy, except yours are very special. They hardly ever buy. Maybe once in a while they'll refer you to somebody. But if you're talking about the hundreds of sales every day, how do you think I'm able to sell my courses to thousands of people? Is it my family members? I don't have up to 1,000 family members. So it's strangers, strange people with random people on the internet that I'm attracting to pay me money, which is what you should also be doing. So I'll show you how to attract real, genuine people who have the money to pay you through adverts, through lead generation, different ways you can do that. And I'll show you how to save your contacts permanently so that even if you lose your phone, you can still get your contacts back. In Modified, I now go into WhatsApp marketing proper, how to make offers, because most people just post random things on their WhatsApp and they complain that they don't sell. See, you need to be able to get into people's heads and get them to buy from you. Secondly, I'll show you how to different WhatsApp status tricks that I use to make people to open my status. So people say they have 1,000 contacts, but only 2 people view their status because you don't get them to view. You don't make your status interesting. You don't try some tricks that make them click your status. The best thing they do. In fact, there are people that tell me that when they wake up in the morning, the first thing they do is check my status. And I'm not kidding. I have screenshots of such conversations that they check my status first thing in the morning. Why is that so? Am I paying them salary? No. Am I what? Do I give them food? Do I give them air to breathe? No. But because I make my status attractive, irresistible, there's always something there that you want to see. That's why they are glued to it. So when I'm selling, they rush to buy. That's how to do it. And I'll show you in this course. I'll show you how to send broadcast messages that don't irritate people. Some people send broadcasts that are so irritating, and you just be collecting, blocking. And the more people that block you, the more likely you are going to get your account banned by WhatsApp. So be very careful with broadcast messages. So come and learn how to do the one that actually works. And then how to handle objection. Don't say, I'll get back to you. It's too expensive. Oh, you are too far away. I want pay on delivery. I'll show you how to handle things like this. I'll also show you how to keep your customers for life and make them to be free brand ambassadors. This thing simply means that they will start promoting your products for you, even when you're not paying them. Normally, they pay brand ambassadors, but if you do your customers well, in the way I will show you, they will carry your market on your head. They will tell everybody about it. They will be promoting it for you for free without collecting shishi. And lastly, we're going to talk about WhatsApp automation. You know, we are busy. We have busy lives. We have families. We have school. We have church. We have things to attend to. So you cannot always be pressing WhatsApp every single time. I will show you how to automate your WhatsApp so that it can be responding for you and collecting money from you even while you are unavailable. Show you how to save contacts automatically and all of that. So that's it about the full process. But then we have bonus because I love you. First of all, I'll show you free follow-up templates that you can use, copy and paste to sell. I give you my book that has sold thousands of copies for free. And we have weekly live calls that we have on the support group. So if you pay directly through me, you'll be given access to the support group. And of course, my affiliate marketing experience. I've had an affiliate marketing experience. I turned out to be the best. I won the challenge actually, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. As a complete newbie, I'd never sold anything as an affiliate marketer before, but I did it and I won the challenge as the person with the highest number of sales. And then access to a support group, like I've said before. And then of course, when you buy the course, like you bought a handbag, it's yours for life. You can hang the handbag in your wardrobe for as long as you want. I don't take it from you, right? So regular updates are all yours, and that's one of the special bonuses. No limit. So what you have to do right now is click on the link that you receive in the description. You don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. So let's look at the other products in this birthday offer. The other product is the sellouts with content bundle. So this bundle is comprised of 2 different things, and it's if you really want to grow your business, if you want to sell out, if you want to create content. Most people don't know what to post. I've asked many business owners what their challenge is with this online thing, and they say they don't know what to post. Every day it's stressful. What do I post? What do I post? If I post this one, they say it's rubbish. If I put this one, they say I'm not interested. Okay, what do I now post? That's the thing. I'm here to solve this problem for you. So first of all, you get a video training of content marketing, how to sell with content, how to get people to buy what you are selling. And then secondly, you get a 90-day content calendar, a calendar that tells you what to post every single day for 3 months, for 94 days. That's all I'm giving you, put together for just peanuts money. Oh my goodness, this birthday week is about to come to an end.
Now here's the best part of the entire birthday offer. I'm doing something very, very special. So for those who are going to grab the 2 trainings in this birthday offer, the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program and the content bundle, I'm going to be adding them into a private group where I'll be going live with them for 2 hours, teaching them 12 hot, unique, special marketing strategies that they can apply on any social platform and use it to be 10 times ahead of their competitors and any other person, regardless of what they sell, regardless of the brands they are trying to build. These are marketing strategies that are based on research, that I've practiced over and over time, that have helped me make 7 figures monthly from my business. Do the math. So these are marketing strategies that I will show you clearly. I will open my screen, I will explain it to them. For 2 hours we'll be live. I'll answer their questions. I'm going to be sharing my secrets with them. Now here's the thing. If you pay for the 2 courses, the 2 trainings at the discount price, you get access to this private training for free. After now, that 2-hour training is going to be recorded and uploaded on my seller store and sold for 10,000 naira or $20. So you have an opportunity to get access to it for free if you just buy those 2 courses, and then I'll add you to the group. So if you have bought those 2 courses before, I'll send you the link to the group right now so that you can join. If you bought one, maybe you bought the bundle before, you can buy the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program now so that you can get access to the live training so that you can qualify. If you bought the WhatsApp Sales Mastery Program before, you can buy the bundle right now so that you can qualify. But to qualify, you have to get the 2 of them. Whether you got them today or you got them yesterday, you got them last year, it doesn't matter. If you've ever gotten the both of them, you qualify for this live training. I have never shared my secrets like this anywhere else before. So if you sell courses, if you sell physical products, if you sell services, if you sell whatever it is that you sell, online and offline, I'll be sharing secrets, methods that you can use to scale up your sales. 12 of them, hot ones. You can use 1 per month for the year, and you will be very much assured that your business will not remain the same. Your income will not remain the same. So click on the link in the description. You have no excuse. If you just want to get one, no problem. But if you get just one, you won't get access to my live training except you pay 10,000 naira for it. But if you get the 2 courses, you get access to those 2 trainings. Not just that, your bonus, your special gift is my live training where I go live. You see my face, we talk, we gist, and I share 12 hot marketing strategies that you've not heard anywhere else. Quote me. So click on the link below right now so that we can get started. I can't wait to welcome you. I can't wait to see you in that live training. I want to see you especially in that live training. You looking at me. I want to see you. So see you there.